this. I've got the worst job on the planet cleaning out this pond, and it's not been done for a couple of years, and it is absolutely horrible. You'll see in a minute. It is full of green slime, but on the plus side, all that green slime is going on the garden, and it's going to be really good fertilizer. So there we are. But it's a horrible job, really horrible. And as a matter of fact, after I've done this, I got a really bad chest infection with all the toxins and microbes and what have you. So there we are. But it's done now. I'll leave it a couple of months. I bought myself a special mask, and not just the ordinary, sort of surgical mask. It's a special one. And I'll have another go in a couple of months when I feel like it. It's such a big job. So these are aerial roots on this cheese plant. And I don't know whether these are just roots, more roots. Wait a minute, where are we? More roots, which they look like, or if they're shoots, or if they could turn into a plant, who knows. So I'm going to cut these off and put them in a pot and see what happens. That'll be a good experiment. And this is the job that I'm tackling today. Call me mad, but there you go. It needs to be repotted, this monster. And this little, this plant as well. There, I'm going to repot that, hopefully. If I've got enough potting compost. So I've got myself in a right mess here. But it had to be done, really, didn't it? So I'm just taking out the props, like the stakes I've got. I think I've got, there's one there. Hang on. Because these will be going back again. I'll just try and hold up the... Whoa! Oh dear. I hope that's going to be all right. Well, what can I do? Right. So I'm going to try and pull this out. Now, these plants obviously have roots at the, underneath as well as aerial roots. I'm just going around this with a knife, a dinner knife. I'm trying to loosen the soil. I mean, it's been in here for, quite a while. It's got some good roots going on it. So let's see if I can pull it out without hurting the plant. Yeah. There. Whoa. There you go. There you go. Right, good. That's that. Now, there's nothing holding this plant together, so I think I better use string or something. That's the old pot, and it was really, really heavy to start with, the pot without the plant as well. So I'll see if I can get some. I might do this actually when it's in the actual. How's that for floppy?
It's going to fall that way, but
well, it's not too bad. I can prop it up with something. Yeah, thank you. Oh, bloody hell. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is attempt to put that in there. Oh, dear Lord. There we go. Oh, I think I put too much soil in. So, whoops. I think I put too much soil in, so I'll take some out. God. I tell you what, I'm glad I don't have to do this every day or every week. I really do. I really do. There. That's the crocs coming out the bottom. Never mind. Right, let's put this back in. Oh dear gosh. Right. Now. Oh, this is hilarious. Right, okay, here we go. There we go. Let's put some of this back. I'm putting the original soil back as well. You know, why not? As long as I can get it, if I can get it stable, because I, you know, feed it a lot, so. There. Good Lord. I just love these aerial roots on that. I love the plant itself. It's worth it. It's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. Whoa. Yeah, just so unusual, aren't they? Well, to us they are. Like, if you live in the Amazon or somewhere, they're not. But anyway, let's see if we can. Whoops. Yeah, they're probably growing wild everywhere in the rainforests. But anyway, so what I'll do is, there's all sorts of aerial roots coming through. Ooh, yes. Right. So I'll try and put a big cane in there. Let's put a cane in there. When I've done this, I'm going to, there you go, there's a cane. That's holding it up. I'll show you these roots in a minute. They are absolutely incredible. I really like them a lot. I love these plants. I used to have these in the 70s. You know, well, everybody had them in the 70s. In the 70s, they were very hip hop and happening. Right, that is amazing, amazing. Right, let's get rid of this one. Get rid of this one. It's a nice pot, but it's, whoops. It's a nice pot, but it's incredibly heavy. This one, I'll put it there. It's really heavy to start with, let alone a giant plant like this in it. Now, what I'm going to do is clean this lot up. We're going to get these roots and we're going to put them in a pot. You know, there. Absolutely love, love, love. I'm still here. Here I am. Yeah, I'm going to look at the roots. Just love these roots. I'm just going to wind them round, I think. Where's that coming from? Oh, that's one that I'm going to grow. Put those there. Right. Yeah, these roots, I'm just going to, see, that's a root. I'm just going to sort of wind it round. Make it look, see if I can make it look nice. There you go. Rather than, and that one, I'm going to put that one like that. Put a little stake in that, I think. Whoops. Put a little stake in. Possibly. This is so nice. This is perfectly good compost. Perfectly good compost. That's what I've got. And I'll right. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It really wasn't. I thought it was going to be horrendous. And because these plants have got aerial roots, they don't have much other roots, you know, like there wasn't much going on in the, base of the plant, which I'm glad about, because that would have made it harder for me. So this plant now can spend quite a few years in this pot. Yeah. So I'll just move these, tidy up a bit. These are going to go in a pot. So put them there first. Sprayed it again, leave the water on this time. And I'm going to give it a good feed with Miracle Grow. Now I would use my Jollop, my wheat soup, but I can't. It stinks to high heaven, so I can't have it in the house. That's just for the outdoor plants. Give it a good old soak. It's on an old plastic thing that I use for my when I'm painting, so give it a good old soak. There you go. So that's one happy cheese plant. So I'll say bye for now, and as always, lots of love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.